Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, a lobby group by the name Operation Linda Jamii has filed a case at Milimani High Court in Malindi, seeking the court to order William Samoei Ruto to withdraw his statement about Mambo ni Matatu declaration. Remember what he said when he was in Kakamega? That Mambo ni Matatu atafunga watu jela, ama wahame Kenya, ama wasafirishwe waende mbinguni. This group is saying that Ruto, as the president, is the symbol of national unity. But his statement is a threat and it undermines the court and the other institution in this country. Because of that, Ruto should withdraw that statement. So, Ruto has been taken to the court, and now he has a case to answer through the Attorney General, J.B. Muturi. In fact, Ruto has repeated this statement in more than 3 different occasions, including even today at KICC. Watu wanaongelea mambo ya climate change. So it's a climate summit, Africa Climate Summit. But yeye amepeleka huko hiyo mambo matatu yake. So first of all, I wanted to listen to Ruto when he was saying for the first time about mambo matatu. From there, I will take you to another statement in another different location, repeating the same thing. Then what he said today. And from here, we will go deeper to understand what Operation Linda Jamii is looking for in their case that they have filed at Milimani High Court.
Mewaambia hawa wote hapo watoke. Hiyo kampuni ni kampuni ya wananchi na tutaipangia upya. Hakuna kesi entertain hapo. Kesi watoe na wao wenyewe watoke. Nyenye mnanielewa? Tunaelewana? Na nimewaambia mambo ni mangapi? Matatu. Wakitaka kuniletea kisirani, either wahame Kenya, ama nitawaweka jela, ama wasafiri waende mbinguni.
Now, after this statement, the Azimio side and the other human rights organizations, NGOs, they issued statement on different occasions, demanding Ruto to withdraw the statement that he said. But he had an answer. He told them to shut up, that he will not withdraw. In fact, he said that Azimio is now joining thieves in this country, and now they are defending the thief. But Azimio was talking about the language that Ruto was using. So you can't say that, oh, they are now supporting corruption. He want to start the statement. He want to change the statement. And he repeated and said that bado mambo ni matatu. He is not going to change. That's what he said. So this was the second occasion repeating the same thing.
Wanajifanya. Nimesema wafisadi wote, wakora wote, wezi wote, wahame Kenya. Wahame ama wasihame? Na wasipohama tunawafunga jela. Na wakiendelea wapange mpango waende mbinguni. Iko shida nyingi. Ama mnasemaje? Tunaelewana jameni? Sisi tunakubaliana. Mambo ya wafisadi na wakora Kenya ni ngapi? Wahame Kenya, waende jela, ama
Then today, we have the climate summit that is taking place at KICC. When Ruto was addressing the delegation, he still used that declaration of Mambo ni Matatu to explain something different. So that means he is still continuously using that declaration to normalize it in this country. And this is what he said.
And while we are thinking about financing, for us in Africa, 3 things are very important. As they say in Kenya, Mambo ni Matatu. Number one.
Now, according to Operation Linda Jamii Lobby Group, if Ruto will be allowed to run away with this kind of declaration, then number one, he will be undermining the court. Why? Alisema ya kwamba mambo ni matatu, atafunga watu jela. Ruto ni nani afunge watu jela? That is the question. Yeye ni nani? Is he a lawyer? Is he a judge? Ama yeye ni nani? Ruto hana uwezo wowote wa kufunga mtu jela. Ile uwezo na mamlaka ambayo amepewa ni to governance. Uko. Uwezo wa kufunga watu jela iko kwa mikono ya judge na ndani ya court. So he's undermining the court by saying that he will jail people. Because of that, the Operation Linda Jamii is saying no. Ruto must withdraw that statement to stop undermining the court. Wacha koti wafanya kazi yao na wewe ufanya kazi yako. Separation of power. Number two, they are saying that Ruto is undermining the principle of rule of law. Because of that, he has to withdraw that statement. Let the rule of law to take its course. Then at the end of the day, justice will be out. So you should not undermine the principle of rule of law in this country. Let him respect it. Number three, they are saying that if Ruto will continue to run away with this statement, he will be undermining the separation of power doctrine and the checks and balances. Once he will run with this one, so what will a judge tell William Ruto? Inamaanisha yeye amesahau tuko na the executive, the National Assembly and the judiciary. Three arms of government. And there is separation of power. Judiciary has its own power. Executive has its own power. The National Assembly has its own power. But Ruto want to suppress everything and become the power. Even the mambo ya dictatorship huwa inaanza. So because of that, they are saying, no, you must withdraw that statement. Hauwezi kuwa wewe ndio president, alafu wewe ndio unataka ukue wewe ndio judge. Alafu unataka ukue wewe ndio National Assembly, umekuwa legislator. You are making the law. Ukishatengeneza law, you are going ahead also to interpret the law as if you are the judge. Kazi ya judge ni kuinterpret the law na kufuata hiyo mambo na kufunga watu ama kufanya ruling ya kesi. Ruto want to do all these things. Wanasema hapana, we will not allow you to go in that direction. So JB Muturi as Attorney General will be in court to answer to this matter. Atume lawyers huko waende wajibu kesi ya Ruto. Imagine you just became the president, after 1 year you are being sued in court. Ukimaliza mwaka ingine itakuwa nini? Then what will follow again? So if you check on how Ruto is talking, he want to normalize this statement. Itakuwa tu ni kawaida kupeleka watu mbinguni. And according to this group, wakati wanasema kwamba Ruto anasema anataka kupeleka watu mbinguni, that statement of kupeleka watu mbinguni is a threat to, that is a death threat. It amounts to death threat. So Ruto is threatening Kenyans over death, ya kwamba nitawaua. hata saizi kwa ile koti wametoa ile kifungu ambacho kinasema ya kwamba watu wanyongwe. Saizi hakuna mambo ya kusema kwamba utanyonga mtu. Death haiko. Maybe life sentence. Mambo ya death haiko saizi. Lakini Ruto anakuja with his own way ya kusema atasafirisha watu kwenda mbinguni. So if you check on the interpretation of that, kupeleka watu mbinguni means you kill someone. Uwe mtu ndiye aende hiyo mbinguni unasema. So he has to withdraw that statement. Otherwise, kama watamruhusu aendelee hivyo, basi itakuwa ni mazoea. Na koti pia wako na nafasi ya kutumia hii nafasi to make a proper ruling without fear. Otherwise, if also they will not take this matter serious, then they are allowing Ruto as the president to start now interfering with the rule of law and the work of the court. Itakuwa sasa Ruto kwa State House ndiye anafanya kazi ya koti. Jaji atakuwa na kazi gani? Atakuwa na hukumu nini? Kama Ruto ndiye anashika watu, anawapeleka jela, anawahukumu na anawaua. So that's the developing story here. We'll wait to see how the principal legal advisor to the national government, who is now the Attorney General, is going to respond to that, and how they are going to deal with that case and the resolution after that. But that's the news for today.